कोई भी अगर टॉपर आपको बोले कि आई हैव डन दिस, आई हैव गॉट सक्सेस लाइक दिस, तो उसमें क्या होगा? इज इट एम्पिरिकल और नॉर्मेटिव? All those toppers, they share their success story and they can tell you the strategy. So whether it is empirical or it is normative, let's say that it is his experience. So whether that experience will work for other people, that we have not tested. Right? Even if it is that person experience, but then whether it will work for others, that we have not related. Getting? Second, it is his experience, which even when he again appears, there is no predictability. That also you know that. When people have appeared for improvement, instead of improving, they have got the rank which is, let's say, lower than what they had that time. Even you can take Prachi Singhal. So she had 200 something rank, I guess. But 2025, she got 300 something rank or 400. Right? Getting. So basically their strategy they have not documented. It is just their understanding. Any such experience as strategy which is being talked, let's say that, whatever you are talking, let's say, sharing, let's say, it is based on individual subjective experience. That will be normative. But suppose you conduct studies, आपको उसके लिए स्टडीज कंडक्ट करना पड़ेगा. नहीं करना है स्टडी तो एटलीस्ट यू let's say interviews, let's say at least 100 people, 200 people, 1000 people, those who have become successful from different subjects. This, and once you, let's say, talk to them, on the basis of that you try to note down something and then you derive something out of this. So when you, after deriving something out of that, you tell, that will have more predictability. This, that is the difference, you can say. The classical thinkers, what they did is they formulated theory on the basis of their experience. Those who follow empirical method, they will not do that. This, there are so many ways to tell it, but let's see what we can tell it. Basically what they argue, those who are empirical, they first believe that we should have higher standard of saying anything as science. We cannot easily tell anything as science, this, unless it has certain level of predictability. This. Second thing is that they will try to establish a cause and effect relationship. Cause and effect relationship is called that when you are saying something, is it going to work? This, can you replicate it? This, the replication, the replication is that when other experiments were done, suppose again experiment is done, whether the girls are going to behave in the same fashion, that is called replication. This, so that is how empirical they will try to replicate the things. Cause and effect relationship they will try to establish, and then they will tell something as this is how the theory, let's say this. So empirical theory will become more value free, means more objective. Normative theory is more subjective. How will understand all this? Again, you know, elections happen, survey happens, and exit poll happens, blah blah things happen. So do you find that they become, their predictions work? Do you think their prediction work? Sometimes they work, sometimes they do not work. अब की बार 400 पार, राइट? मतलब 2029 की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, तो उसके पहले ही हो जाएगा 400. Anyhow, so the question is that, but टीवी चैनल वालों ने चलाया अब की बार 400 पार, yes, but वो सब फेल हो गए, isn't it? तो लेट्स से दैट कि बट कभी कभी मान लो कि अभी जो इलेक्शंस हुए स्टेट में, तो उनका प्रेडिक्शन हो सकता है ऐसे. तो लेट्स से दैट कि द स्टडी दे डिड, आइदर इट इज मैनिपुलेटेड or it is whatever, but both way it is subjective. If it is manipulated, फिर तो और भी आसान है इसको प्रूव करना कि they say that कि those who are doing research, whether they have the preconceived mind to prove the theory in certain way, so already it is subjective and biased. This is how they say. And in case of empirical, so you should be keeping yourself out. Out means you should not bring your thinking in the study and findings. Whatever you find, whatever you observe, exactly you say that. Do we say that? No. So if something is told to you, let's say we are teaching you, when you write your answer, you write a bit different because you have added your own. Human subjectivity. But that subjectivity you are not talking. Basically, let's say if those polls are manipulated, it means the researcher, the person who is doing research, he himself biased. That can happen in normative. They may not be biased, but they may like that you should support particular. If any topper is saying you should do that, it means he may like that. Since he likes that, that's why he is saying to you. And it may not necessarily be objective. Right? This way. So that is how, let's say, normative can have subjectivity, because those who do research, they have also brought their view in that. But in empirical, those who do research, they keep themselves out. They don't bring their view. Whatever they will observe, they will note it down, and then they will try to establish a relation, or they will try to bring predictability. This. And that way they get empirical. It means, let's say that those who are doing other research and survey they are doing, तो the person जो research कर रहा होता है, उसने ये ensure किया है कि whatever the things we are getting from public, the samples as you have taken, we have to ensure कि we remain objective. This. इसलिए कि जो research करता है उसका भी तो एक political leaning हो सकता है, right? और उसके mind में ये है कि particular party should win, लेकिन लोगों से जब वो review कर रहा है तो दिख रहा है कि तो दूसरी ही party win कर रही है, तो उसको भी थोड़ा hurt होगा. Getting this? It is like a coach from Australia and India and Australia team playing. Right? How the coach can keep himself neutral? Right? If the coach keeps himself neutral, he is empirical. Right? But if he is not, he is normative. That is how the relation between them. So those thinkers who talk about empirical methods, they will belong to that category. So they set a high bar for theory building, and that was Herbert Simon. That's why he was critic to classical theory. And he wanted to establish a science based on empirical findings. So when a science is based on empirical findings, it will be close to physical sciences in terms of scientificism, in terms of predictability. And that is how he formulated his decision-making theory.